This chain soft shell gun that I got my son off of Amazon, it is so fun. I will show you how to put everything together and how it works. It comes with 40 of these soft foam bullets that you can use. It has this adjustable scope here so you can see on the inside, and this can shoot up to 49 feet. It is super easy to set up, super easy to use, and this would make the perfect gift for any boy or girl out there, especially with the holidays coming up or for their birthday. I highly recommend getting them this really awesome gift.
Here are all of the pieces that come in the box.